How to fix WhatsApp notifications not working. Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply fix your WhatsApp notification if it is not working. So if they send a message to you on WhatsApp and the notification is not coming to your phone, either on lock screen or via the notification trace. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this on your Android phone. So now the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Android phone settings. So let's go to my settings. Once you get to the settings, you want to scroll down and click on apps. Once you selected apps, then you want to click on app management. This depends on the type of device you are using. If you are using some devices without app management, once you click on apps or applications, you will be taken to the list of your apps. Now on the search box, you want to search for WhatsApp. So once you search for WhatsApp, click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be taken to your WhatsApp interface. And then the next one of this, you want to click on manage notifications. Once you click on manage notifications, you want to tap allow notification. If this option is turned off, then tap on it. Once you tap on it, you see allow notifications. And then at the same time, to receive your notification on lock screen, you want to check lock screen. Just tap this. And on banners, tap this. If you also want to add bubble, tap this as well. But in my own case, I only use lock screen and on banner. And then the next thing is you want to scroll down and tap group notifications to receive notification from your groups. That is via application drawer, banner lock screen, ringtone and vibration, and also to receive WhatsApp message notification on your Android phone. You want to toggle on message notification. So once you tap on the message notification, you'll be taken to this page. And here you see you allow notification and ensure this option is turned on. So once that option is turned on, you want to check lock screen and banner as well. Now scroll down and then choose your ringtone. So you can set a default ringtone or choose a different ringtone to receive your WhatsApp notification. So if you choose this, so that is the type of sound you will hear when a message comes to your WhatsApp. And if you select this, the same thing happens. So let's go with Ripples. And of course, if you go to custom, you can set a different ringtone as your WhatsApp ringtone here or WhatsApp notifications whenever a message comes to your WhatsApp and you'll be notified via the message. Then come back. Then another thing you want to do here is you want to come back and then check all this other chat backup notifications to be notified when your backup is completed. Critical app alert, if there is anything that goes wrong with your WhatsApp account, you want to turn on this so that you'll be notified. Then if you send a message on WhatsApp and message failed to send, then you can just turn on failures notification, and then you'll see that whenever you send a message on WhatsApp and the message is not delivered, you will be notified. Also just check through including media notification, silent notification, and then call notification. So just go to your WhatsApp notification interface and then toggle on what you think is best for you in terms of WhatsApp notification. So with this step, you can easily fix your WhatsApp notifications not working on your Android phone. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button. Of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.